All right, so a lot of people have been wondering how heavy the factory soft top actually is, because it's stupid heavy, to be honest. So I brought out a scale. We're gonna weigh myself, and then I'm gonna pick up the soft top and hopefully not break the scale. So let's see how it goes. Moment of truth. Okay, that literally added 3 pounds. We seriously just weighed myself like 2 minutes ago and I was 227 and now I'm 230 and I literally haven't done anything. So I'm not happy with that scale. Camera adds 10 pounds, scale adds 3. All right. I don't believe it. I can't be right.
No.
Do it again. Look at that. 27.4, 227. Okay. We're gonna go off of that because that's the number I've gotten 3 times now. 227 is the first number, and now I'm gonna pick up the soft top. I already worked out today, so I shouldn't have to do this, but here I am making movies for you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh. Am I even on it? Holy crap. What does it say?
330.
330. Okay, so it's 3 pounds? Is that right? 103 pounds. I thought it was 200. It feels like 200, but maybe I'm just weak. That's probably it. So now you know. The factory soft top is 103 pounds. I would recommend never picking it up by yourself, and definitely don't try to install it by yourself because you'll scratch all your paint. I tried, I did, don't do it. Thanks for watching, subscribe, appreciate it. See you guys next time.